guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a hermit crab. Hermit crabs are like tiny beachcombers of the sea. They have a soft body that they protect by living inside empty seashells. As they grow, they find new, bigger shells to call home. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a manta ray. Manta rays are like the graceful birds of the ocean. They have a wide, flat body and long fins that look like wings. Mantas glide through the water with elegance and often visit cleaning stations where tiny fish help them stay tidy. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a giant squid. Squid are like the underwater artists of the sea. They have a sleek, elongated body and long tentacles with suction cups. Squid can change color and even squirt ink to escape from predators. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a dugong. Dugongs are like gentle sea cows. They have a plump body and a paddle-like tail, which they use for swimming gracefully. Dugongs are herbivores and often munch on seagrass, keeping the ocean floor tidy. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a dolphin Mahi-Mahi. Swordfish are like the ocean's knights with a sharp sword-like bill on their face. They are strong swimmers and use their bill to slash at schools of fish, catching their dinner. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an angelfish. Angelfish are like underwater rainbows. They have bright, colorful bodies with long, flowing fins that make them look like they're flying through the water. Their vibrant colors help them blend into the coral reefs they call home. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a parrotfish. Parrotfish are like the painters of the coral reefs. They come in bright, tropical colors and have a beak-like mouth that they use to nibble on coral. After eating, they release fine sand, helping to shape the beautiful beaches.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.